must be Mr. Anderson.
I am, and this must be Expediting Plus. I didn't know you guys make it as easy as pushing a button.
Come with me. I'll take you through it. So, tell me about your project.
I have a building that's up for demo, and I'll tell you, my last project was a nightmare. One delay after another. I need this one expedited, done reliably, and on time.
Not a problem. At Expediting Plus, delays are what we demolish. Let me explain. All you gotta do is hand over the keys. Give us 3 months, you'll have your demolition permit in hand.
It's that easy?
It's that easy. Our team of engineers will create the means and methods drawings. We do the DOB walkthroughs, get the utility cutoffs, the city inspections, get it all done in 3 months.
3 months? This project's been in demo for 9 months. How do you guys do it? Is it the button? I'm ready to move forward instantly.
I've got one last thing to show you. Expedoc is the cloud-based checklist we created for our clients. With it, you can see the status of your projects at any time, so you'll always know where you stand. No need to call us for updates. You can log in from any device and see for yourself.
Is there anything you guys don't do?
We've been expediting demolition projects in the greater New York area for nearly 20 years. Our breakthrough team breaks through the red tape, the excuses, and the delays to make sure your project is complete on time and on budget. So, you ready to expedite your project?
I say let's do it!